it's Don Skaggs with the Inventors Network Kentucky and Empowered Inventing. You know, the opportunities and challenges of developing, marketing, and selling a popular new product are changing faster than ever. So it's never been more critical to stay current than it is right now. And that's why I'm excited to tell you that we have teamed up with the Michigan Inventors Coalition and are proud to announce the Inventor Entrepreneur Summit. This is the update you've been waiting to hear for, and that is now scheduled for October 13 through 16, 2021. Now, we've assembled our favorite movers and shakers, and they're going to share their priceless insights. This is hard-won advice to help you take full advantage of the latest technologies and strategies that inventors and entrepreneurs need. These are trailblazers. They're not afraid of embracing these new tools, and they've used them to commercialize their creativity. And with this intel, it's going to help you to do the same thing. So this is an event where you're going to learn new strategies. This is new content. This is going to be really, really cool. Let me tell you some things you're going to learn. Protect your brand from copycats and knockoffs. You can learn to harness the power of social media, things like TikTok, things like LinkedIn, very important. Things you need to grow your brand in the 21st century. Marketing, make your marketing material stand out. You can use things like augmented reality now. It is not big and scary like you think it is. We're gonna learn that. If you want to become a full-time product developer, we're gonna learn about that. We're gonna learn from people that have licensed a #1 hit toy, people that have just launched category-defining new games, and much, much more. So join us on October 13 through 16, 2021 for this online event and learn from these fellow inventors and entrepreneurs. Now, if you want to see all the details or register, you need to register now. And the website's very simple to remember. It is simply miinventors.org. That's MI like Michigan, then the word inventors.org. So sign up now, and I will look to see you October 13th through 16th at the Inventor Entrepreneur Summit.